It's a beautiful day of fall, so we're outside for a walk, and yeah, we're going to visit the forest. We've had a little bit of wind too, but almost seems like it's getting better now. And of course Tala is with me. And since we are by our property, she's allowed to run free, which is just perfect. I love how everything is overgrown with moss. It always gives some fairy tale vibes, I think. Look at this tree. It looks kind of interesting. I think it's pretty old. Looks so beautiful with this yellow leaves between the pine trees. Great contrast. This place with all the rocks is really special, and this moss is so thick. It's really like a pillow, so soft. Yeah, and suddenly you have these open spaces where there are almost no trees. A little bit like tundra landscape. Just some grass and some little trees. So now I'm gonna look for a place where I can have my tea. The weather is really nice, it's not cold at all, and yeah, it's a little bit of wind, but it's not like you get distracted or something, so it's really nice. I'm spotting some rocks over there, so maybe I can sit down and have my tea. Perfect spot. Look, I found like this natural chair, so I can use this to sit on. Very great. Oh my god, it's such a beautiful spot here. This birch, yeah, doesn't look that stable anymore. It has really turns very to the right side, so one day it will break and fall down. Look at this birch, how it was growing, so curvy. And it is a birch, because I think down here it looks more like a pine tree. I'm sure it's really, really old. I actually met some moose for some days ago, and I have been on tour with my dog and it just jumped out from the woods on the road, and yeah, as it saw us, it jumped right back into the woods again. So it was like a 2 seconds meeting with the moose, but it was like only 12-15 meters away from us, but mooses are so shy. You don't need to be afraid. Yeah, I think they are more afraid of us human beings than we are of them. And of course my heart was beating a little bit because it happened so suddenly and it was pretty close, but afterwards I thought that was really cool. I always get really glad when I see moose, and yeah, I like animals and wild animals, of course, and yeah, it's always kind of special. And though we have so many mooses around us and we're kind of living with them in the neighborhood, yeah, literally. So and yesterday 2 mooses passed our house, right beside the house, and yeah, that was really cool too, to see the mooses so close. Tala loves the moss too. It's really like a bat. So cool. kantarell, as we called it in Norwegian. And yeah, but I think they are too big already and yeah, too old in a way. So I'm not gonna pick them. I'm gonna go for some, gonna be more early out to next year, and I rather let them stay here so they can reproduce next year. So we are heading home with a lot of great impressions, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little trip together with us, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!